Hello friends, in this tutorial we are gonna learn DHCP pool, that is dynamic host configuration. Mm, and I'll use Cisco packet tracer for that. So let's start. From the router's side, click the one router and put here. Similarly, you need a switch and some in devices. Now let's connect them. We will use straight through wire for connecting those routers, switch and hosts. Fast Ethernet 0. We'll connect this to fast Ethernet 0/3 and so here is our router and which is connected to the switch, and these three are our host machines which are connected to the switch. Now if we try to get the IP address for this host dynamically, we will get some error. Let's check out. Click the host machine and go to the desktop and IP configuration in DHCP. Here DHCP request fail is shown because we haven't configured the router yet for the dynamic host configuration. So now let's configure that router. Click that router and go to CLI mode and just type no, press enter router and enable the router. Now go to the configuration mode, configure terminal, and let's set host name. Let's suppose Kozu. Now my router is changed, my previously set router host name is changed into the Kozu host. Now select the interface. This is the interface that we, or the port of a router we connected to the switch. Let's check out this fast Ethernet 0/0. We have previously connected this port to the switch. That's why we are selecting the port fast Ethernet 0/0. That is the interface. Let's hit enter. Now let's provide the IP address. Let's suppose 192.168.1.1 and provide its subnet marks 0. Let's type no sub. What does this command no shutdown do is it will change the state of hash Ethernet 0/0 to the down to up state. Now let's configure DHCP pool. Let's suppose Kuzu and network, provide the network. And set the default router IP. Now go one step back and exclude the IP of router. So why it is need to exclude the address of a default router? Because while providing dynamic IP to this host, it won't start with 192.168.1.1 because 192.168.1.1 is given for this router. So in order to protect IP overlapping, we need to exclude the default router address from the DHCP pool. Now we are almost done, and exit, and at last don't forget to write the configuration on the router. Now let's check if these hosts get dynamic IP address or not. Here you can see 192.168.1.2. This host machine get its dynamic IP address. Let's check for this one. Requesting, and here we have successfully provided dynamic IP address to the host machine. For this also, yes, we have successfully provided IP address to the host. To check the connection between these host machines, let's ping one machine with another. The IP address of this host machine is 192.168.1.2. Now let's ping with this machine. Go to the command prompt and ping 1.2, and here we get reply from the host, that is this machine. And this is CLI interface, command line interface. For the graphical interface, you can just click on this message box and click on this host to this host, and just go click on this button and auto capture and play, and you will see the message box transfer to the source to the destination host address, and also will get reply from the destination address to the source address. You can see that. So this is how we can configure DHCP or provide dynamic IP address to the host machine and configure the router. Thank you for watching.